Hey guys, and I'm joined with
Hello there.
City
Steel
Alarms
City Alarms has officially returned.
for an unboxing video, that is. And quite honestly, I don't know what's in here. So, I have these boxes have been sitting around in my room for such a long time, and I just think it's time to get the hell get them out of their boxes. I don't know what's in here. There's a rubber band. What's that for?
Well, I guess to rephrase that, get them out of their prison.
Hell prison. All right, let's see what's in here. I don't know what it is. So,
It's a probe.
no, it's not. I'm not doing the probe yet. Okay, that did not dox anything. I was just making sure. All right, here we go.
FireX.
Yep, it's the last model I need to complete the meme, the alphabet.
Is it the Model B?
Yep.
Oh, okay. So it should be just like the Model A, but with a visual indicator.
Yes, that's basically what this is. Nothing different about it. I'll probably lay out all the alphabet. So the box is pretty standard, of course. The manual also pretty standard. See, look, it even lists the models A, B, C, D, E.
Wait, it actually does? Nah.
And remember, it goes on to G and H as well. But there's no Model F. The FireX Model E were probably just a relabeled, or the original version. The Code 1/Jameson is a relabeled Model E. So, anyways, this alarm is your basic, very basic FireX. The battery's in pretty good shape, actually. It's an Everready Classic.
No corrosion?
Yeah, no corrosion. This thing
That's a shocker,
this thing is from
those lately.
the 69th day of 1998. So that's like
Wait a minute.
March.
69?
Yeah, March 6. Somewhere in March, a very early March. It could it can't be. It's like March 10th or something. I don't know.
Oh, it's basically the nice day.
Wow, the wiring on this thing is really submerged into the alarm here. Gotta get that out.
Oh, what's the year again?
98.
It should do Force X.
Nah, yeah, it should.
Because Code 3 was not enforced until late 98.
So, I'll do
I heard it.
I'll do your initial test. Yeah.
Yep, Force X.
Yeah, it's really loud. These alarms are notorious for being really loud. Dying sound? Probably not. I don't think these ever did. No, they don't.
And obviously they're notorious for horn failures.
Yeah, these FireXs. He did not age well. And it's also got a tamper switch.
Yeah, because literally on almost every single one of the FireXs, they did not put a piezo shield.
Yeah. You can really see it on the F80Cs.
Yeah.
Okay, so now that I have this out here, yeah, it basically looks like a miniaturized, like AD or something, G6, whatever you want to call it. So I'll show you the rest of the alarms. So, this one's the photoelectric model. This is the PB. So this is one that it's the exact same thing except it's photoelectric.
Oh yeah, you got one of those. I forgot.
This one's the Model D. This is the Code 1 2000 version, but still pretty much the same. I have a Model C somewhere. I gotta find it. I think this. Yeah, here's the Model C. This is the one that comes with the plastic bracket. The Model A is somewhere. I have two Model A's. I don't know where they are. This is the G18, but that does not go with the rest. This is the Model G. Right here, the hardwired one. The Model H. I gotta find all of these. Found the Model. Okay, here's the Model E. We'll go look through all of them here in a moment. Just gotta find all of them. I low-key am not sure if the Model A is accessible. It might be like somewhere else hidden. I have two Model A's, by the way.
Oh yeah, you have the Jameson version.
I'm looking.
Too.
I need to find the Model H, and the Model
And A.
A's. Yeah, I can pull out the Jameson Model A since this also goes with the rest. Let me go ahead and find that.
I only have one alarm from the alphabet, and that's the Jameson Model A.
So, excuse the fact that this is taking a while. Oh, here's a Model A. I'm only gonna pull out one of them. And I need one more, Model H. And I low-key have no clue where it is. Oh, here's my Jameson Model A, my new Jameson Model A, by the way. One in much better shape, and maybe this is the Model H? No, that's a G6. Very close. I should have. I did not think this through. I have so much random junk. This stretches the video time. I legitimately have no clue where it is. I found one of my SA67Bs. I think this is the used one I got. I hope people watch this video, because this is taking me way too long for me to find the Model H. I'm destroying my collection bins right now. I found my other smiley face. Oh, wait. No. I give up on trying. You guys are free to unsub now, because I couldn't find the Model H. For the life of me, I can't find it.
Which one could you not find, the Jameson or the standard?
The Model H is the FireX one I got from Jaden.
So you found your A's. Okay, I missed.
I found my Model A.
Find H.
I found the Model A.
Okay, I see. But in all reality, you pretty much have the whole alphabet. Well, kind of. If only FireX came up with a Model F.
Even though the alphabet goes all the way to C. So I'm just gonna pull out the G6 because this is that's basically what the Model H is. All it really is one without interconnect. Well, you guys are welcome. I pulled out all the alphabet alarms. I'm not pulling on my other Model A. I have them all. Actually, the Model E would look better in the middle like that. Now it looks like a... I'm proud of this. I'm proud of this right here. I'm genuinely very proud of this. Anyways, that was the unboxing of the FireX Model B. Thank you for watching, and I have the whole series now. Bye. Oh yeah, you want to say bye?
Bye-bye.